Alright, today we're going to do a review on the Leatherman Charge AL. And this thing also comes in the ALX and the TTI, but whatever. Originally I got this thing because I'm going to the George Washington University. Found out that my Dual Pro X is illegal in Washington DC because it's longer than 3 inches. So this thing is actually much shorter despite its rugged ass size or look. As with all Leathermans, it comes with a pair of pliers and a wire cutter. Alright, and it's got a ruler. I don't think anyone's gonna use it though, but whatever. It's got a pair of scissors. And every single tool on this thing locks. Alright, you got a tiny Phillips screwdriver. You could flip it. It's interchangeable. You got tiny flathead screwdriver. And it's got a bigger flathead screwdriver. You could also use it as a chisel. And it has a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips. It also comes with extra bits. Where the heck am I supposed to get that? Extra bits. You got 6 of them. And this thing also comes with a can opener / bottle opener. And yes, it locks too. Alright. This is the main blade. And it is mad sharp, sharper than the Swiss Army knife, but it's a little shorter, it's 3 inches. So that makes it legal in DC. It's got a serrated knife, and it doesn't have a point, but it's still sharp as heck. Diamond coated file, and a regular file. That would be pretty cool actually, diamond coated saw. You got a wood saw. I heard some guy actually used this thing to cut off a bayonet lug off of his AR-15. That is mad legit. Alright, and it comes with a removable belt clip, and you could insert a lanyard ring thing in here. See? But I prefer the belt clip. Now let's do a cut test. Compare the Leatherman to the Swiss Army knife, Dual Pro X. Okay, so the Leatherman is actually the better knife despite its size. It's got a better shape, it's sharper, it's got better steel. Alright, so this is the Dual Pro X. See? And this is a water bottle, of course. Doesn't really cut through. And I just sharpened this thing too. See? And this is the Leatherman. See that? Better knife, better steel, better multi-tool. And thanks for watching. And no, the Leatherman Charge AL is not legal on planes.